So, as you know, HubSpot can hold a lot of data. The question is, how do you make sense of that and how do you use it? So, I'm going to show you that today. One of the ways you're going to see this is in HubSpot's objects, which you'll see in the CRM view. So, I'll start with a company's object this time. And I'm going to choose my company, ClearPivot. So in HubSpot, the object views are going to be pretty standardized. So any record that you click into is going to have a very similar layout. On the left, you're going to see all the basic information about this company, or contact, or deal, or whatever you choose to click on. You'll be able to take some actions from this top bar here. And one cool note is all of this is customizable. So if you were to hit that gear icon, you can select exactly what you want to see, including custom fields. In this middle column, you're going to see an overview, activities, contacts, basically anything you can want to see. And again, this is completely customizable. So you'll be able to add whatever your team members need so they can see it at a glance. Another important note is that you can make different views for different teams. So for example, marketing will want to see different things than sales. Sales will want to see different things than your CEO. And all of these can be customized so you have unified team views. In the middle here, you'll see activities, which is fantastic because you could see how it was created, what's happened since it was created, and then even in the customer or contact views, you'll be able to see things like what pages they visited, what forms they filled out, what emails were sent with people, anything you need. Intelligence will let you see what information HubSpot has on these. So that's always great to see. And you can enrich it using Breeze. And then products are any kind of products that they are interested in purchasing from you that are linked to their deals. Now, how do you see these deals? Great question. So all the associated objects are going to be in this right-hand column. So deals, if we had one, would be here, and you can even add one there. Attachments, so any files you have, service tickets, leads, and then our contacts, like my dear coworker, Bob Jones. And you can click in them from here. So let's take a look here. So again, you can look at this, see all the basic info, all those pretty little details in the middle, and then all the associated records on the right. And you can see how these change based on what object you're looking at. So for example, payment links, workflow memberships, list memberships, etc. So that's one way that HubSpot makes sense of all this data you're going to be keeping track of and helps you make it usable. And one other important note is that you can connect external tools to bring more context and more data into this record. So this is a great way to help your reps avoid blind spots and help give them context for every interaction. Hope that helps.